Question. For a normal distribution, find the following two ratios. We answer this question. A. Let's check the graph of the um, probability density function of the normal distribution. It's like this. So the graph is symmetric about the mean. So we know that the integration from negative infinity to the mean mu, the integration of the probability density function from negative infinity to the mean mu. This equals 1 over 2 multiply the integration from negative infinity to infinity of the probability density function. We know this guy is 1. This guy is 1. So this equals 1 over 2. And we also know that the integration from negative infinity to median of the random variable of the probability density function. We know this one also equals 1 over 2. So compare these two equations. We can infer that the median is equal to mean equal to mu. Mu is the mean. So we know the median over mean equals mu over mu. This equals 1. Now let's do question B. So the probability that the variable is smaller than third quartile. This equals 75%. And the probability that the random variable is smaller than first quartile. This is equal to 25%. From the first equation, we can infer that the probability that z is smaller than third quartile minus mu over standard deviation. This equals 0.75. And from the second equation, we can infer that the probability that z is smaller than first quartile minus mu over standard deviation. This equals 0.25. And use calculator, we can find that third quartile minus mu over standard deviation. This equals 0.6745. And the first quartile minus mu over standard deviation. This equals negative 0.6745. This is equation 1. Equation 2. Now use equation 1 minus equation 2. We get third quartile minus mu over standard deviation minus first quartile minus mu over standard deviation. This equals 1.349. Now we get third quartile minus first quartile over standard deviation. This equals 1.349. The standard deviation over inter-quartile range. This equals standard deviation over third quartile minus first quartile. Third quartile minus first quartile is just the inter-quartile range. So this equals 1 over 1.349. This equals 0.741.